Signs of evil people. By all appearances, they seem normal, but there's just something sinister about them that you can't put your finger on. You might be dealing with an evil person. Evil people can be particularly hard to detect because they are able to hide their true selves. On the outside, they can appear charming, considerate, or even good. How do you consider someone evil? Let's face it, we can't always be good. We humans have a tendency to do bad things to advance our personal agendas. Morality is still a much debated subject. The concept of good and evil is complicated, even to this day. This is where we make the mistake of falling victim to evil people. When we try to understand their motives, we unwittingly simplify what is a complex, and often unexplainable, part of human nature. A person is evil when they intentionally hurt others with a complete disregard for the results. Some of us may have evil thoughts or may do evil things, but we don't make it a pattern that fuels every decision we make. That's what makes someone evil. They let it take over everything. 1. They are pathological liars. We lie when we are afraid of hurting someone else's feelings. In a way, we use lies as social lubricants to navigate the intricacies of relationships. But what sets a truly evil person apart is that they lie just for the heck of it. Evil people can't tell an answer straight. You know they're lying because their story is always changing. One thing is constant though, they lie because it serves them. 2. They are masters of manipulation. Relationship therapist Arlene Lancer defines manipulation as a way to covertly influence someone with indirect, deceptive, or abusive tactics. Evil people take this up a notch because they are willing to cross any line to get what they want. They will use your fears, appeal to your guilt, or play mind games without remorse. Manipulation may seem benign or even friendly or flattering as if the person has your highest concern in mind, but in reality, it's to achieve an ulterior motive. 3. They take no responsibility for their actions. Evil people have a lot of narcissistic qualities. One of them is the blind refusal to take responsibility for their wrongdoings. You know someone is evil when they never apologize for their wrongdoings. They will never admit that they are less than perfect. 4. They take pleasure in other people's misfortunes. We all love bits of juicy gossip here and there. But people who are capable of empathy do not find happiness in seeing other people genuinely suffer. Evil people do. Famous German philosopher Arthur Schopenhauer calls this Schadenfreude, the emotion of pleasure in someone else's misfortune. To feel envy is human, but to enjoy other people's misfortune is diabolical. For evil people, other people's misfortunes are a source of entertainment. When something bad happens to people in their life or even to strangers, you can just see the joy in their eyes. 5. They don't do anything for other people unless it benefits them. Evil people take the word self-serving to a whole new level. They don't do anything for the sake of others. That is, unless it somehow benefits them, too. You will know someone is evil when they always try to fulfill their needs first. As long as they get what they need or want, they don't give a damn if someone else is suffering because of it. 6. They can't face reality. Evil people can't face reality because they can't control reality. Even if a situation is not going their way, they will continue to believe that everything is perfectly alright. When you try to convince them otherwise, they will make you look like the bad guy. Their complete narcissism makes them believe that everybody and everything has to change for them. 7. They give off a bad vibe. Never doubt your gut instincts. It's your brain's way of digesting subtle non-verbal cues that you oftentimes miss. According to one study, there's a reason why we feel bad vibes from someone. Researchers suggest that we give off emotional residue. When we are feeling a certain way, we leave emotional energy around that others can pick up, which affects how others see and interact with us. 8. They are cruel to anyone they consider as beneath them. This is the real test that can prove if someone is really evil, by how they treat people they don't consider useful or equal to them. That's because evil people don't see others as human beings with emotions. They see people as pawns, with their value defined by how useful they could be to them. 9. They can't hold healthy and long-lasting relationships. Evil people may appear extremely social, even charming. But when you get to know them, you'll realize that these relationships are actually superficial. In fact, one study published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin suggests that although narcissists score highly in popularity, they can't necessarily retain genuine friendships. If they do, however, manage to retain long-term relationships in their life, they are usually unhealthy, imbalanced, and toxic relationships. And that's only because they are so good at manipulation. 10. They can do no wrong. Another classic sign of evil people is their inability to admit they are wrong. Evil people think they're always right. Everything they do is perfect. In fact, they have completely disengaged themselves from reality, that they regularly justify their immorality. They believe everything they do is actually right and good. 11. They have judgmental belief systems. Prejudice is actually something all humans are wired to have. It's embedded deeply in our flight or fight response. Early on, we developed ways to respond quickly to visual cues we deemed dangerous. But these prejudices have no more space in modern society. Yet evil people still manage to hold on to their bigotry and unreasonable prejudices. 12. Everything has to be about them. Evil people want to be admired. As I mentioned before, they have sanitized their evil behaviors to the point that they believe what they're doing is actually good. Couple this with narcissism and you have someone who believes they are worthy of everyone's admiration. This means that evil people will go out of their way to make everything about them, which can manifest in several ways. When it comes to dealing with evil people, I think the first thing you need to do is evaluate whether or not it's worth engaging with them. If there's someone that's not really important in your life, it's better to just avoid or cut them off altogether. You see, people who are evil are hard to change. You cannot fix them. Setting boundaries is crucial in any relationship, especially when dealing with a toxic person. Sometimes, rising above is the healthiest thing you can do for yourself. Learn how to walk away from situations that are just not worth it.